Ujjivan Small Finance Bank Q3 FY26 results, record NI, strong loan growth or asset quality improvement. Ujjivan Small Finance Bank delivered a strong and encouraging performance in the third quarter of FY26, reflecting steady progress across growth, profitability, and asset quality. The quarter was marked by the bank's highest ever quarterly net interest income, highlighting the benefits of improving margins, better cost control, and a more balanced loan mix. Let us begin with the overall business growth. As of December 2025, the bank's gross loan book stood at over 37,000 crore rupees, showing healthy growth on both a year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter basis. This expansion was supported by record disbursements during the quarter, which crossed 8,000 crore rupees, the highest level achieved by the bank so far. Growth was broad-based, spanning both secured and unsecured segments. One of the most important structural trends visible this quarter is the rising share of secured lending. The secured loan book grew sharply on a year-on-year basis and now accounts for nearly half of the total loan portfolio. This shift towards secured products such as housing loans, MSME loans, gold loans, vehicle loans, and agri loans aligns with the bank's long-term strategy of reducing risk concentration and improving portfolio stability. Microbanking continues to remain a significant part of the loan book, although growth here has been more measured compared to secured segments. The bank has clearly prioritized quality over aggressive expansion, which is evident in improving collection efficiency and lower stress levels across the portfolio. Turning to asset quality, Q3 FY26 showed visible improvement. Portfolio at risk levels declined compared to the previous year, and both gross and net non-performing asset ratios improved. Collection efficiency reached close to optimal levels, indicating stabilization in repayment behavior, particularly in the microfinance segment. Provision coverage also improved, strengthening the balance sheet against potential future stress. Now let us look at deposits and liquidity. Deposits grew at a faster pace than loans on a sequential basis, helping the bank maintain a comfortable credit deposit ratio. CASA deposits continued to grow strongly, pushing the CASA ratio above 27% for the second consecutive quarter. This improvement in deposit mix played a crucial role in reducing the cost of funds. The cost of funds declined sequentially and year-on-year, reflecting the impact of earlier deposit rate cuts and better liquidity management. Lower funding costs, combined with a favorable loan mix and reduced interest reversals, supported margin expansion during the quarter. Net interest income reached its highest ever quarterly level at 1,000 crore rupees, registering strong year-on-year growth. Net interest margins expanded further, reflecting the cumulative impact of lower cost of funds, higher secured lending, and operational efficiencies. On the profitability front, the bank reported a sharp jump in profit after tax compared to the same quarter last year. Operating performance remained healthy despite one-time expenses related to new labor code implementation. Adjusted for these one-off costs, profitability would have been even stronger. Return ratios improved meaningfully, with return on assets and return on equity showing steady upward movement. Capital and liquidity positions remained comfortable. The capital adequacy ratio stayed well above regulatory requirements, providing ample headroom to support future growth. Liquidity coverage ratios remain strong, reflecting prudent balance sheet management. From a strategic perspective, Q3 FY26 reinforces Ujjivan Small Finance Bank's transition from a microfinance-heavy institution to a more diversified retail-focused bank. The rising share of secured loans, improving asset quality, strengthening deposit franchise, and expanding margins indicate a more resilient and sustainable business model. To conclude, Ujjivan Small Finance Bank's Q3 FY26 performance highlights steady execution across key parameters. While challenges remain in the operating environment, the bank's focus on balance sheet quality, disciplined growth, and profitability improvement places it in a stronger position for the coming quarters. Investors and analysts will closely track the sustainability of margin expansion, asset quality trends, and continued progress in secured lending as key drivers going forward. The stock market moves fast, and missing one update can cost you. To stay ahead with the latest company news, quarterly results, and order wins, hit that subscribe button now. Don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a market beat.